Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Mint versus Ubuntu for developers. We'll explore the key features and benefits each operating system offers, helping you decide which one best suits your development workflow. Understanding their differences in package management, desktop environments, and community support is crucial. This comparison will highlight specific scenarios where one might outperform the other, ensuring you make an informed choice for your next development machine. Ubuntu is often favored by developers due to its enormous community and comprehensive documentation. This means finding solutions to development challenges is usually straightforward. Its Snap package system allows for easy installation and management of development tools in isolated containers, preventing dependency conflicts. Furthermore, Ubuntu's strong enterprise backing makes it a common choice in professional development environments, ensuring compatibility and support for many industry-standard applications and frameworks. Linux Mint, particularly with its Cinnamon desktop, provides a highly stable and intuitive environment that many developers appreciate. Its focus on user-friendliness means less time troubleshooting the OS and more time coding. Mint's robust update manager ensures system stability, which is vital for a consistent development workflow. For those who prefer a more traditional desktop feel and a system that just works out of the box, Mint offers a compelling alternative for productive development. Ultimately, your choice between Mint and Ubuntu depends on your specific development needs. If you require the latest software versions, extensive enterprise support, or work on large-scale projects, Ubuntu is likely your best bet. However, if you value a highly stable, user-friendly, and aesthetically pleasing environment for your daily coding tasks, Linux Mint stands out. Both are powerful, but their strengths cater to different preferences. Check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals to enhance your productivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.